you can record average time on a particular page for various pages on a site?
The way I would do it, I would look for your page title. I would look at this and I would say time to convert. Basically, what this is doing is it's looking into what's the timestamp between this page view that you're singling out, right? It's a particular page you're interested in, and then any event that follows it. So basically a time to convert report by saying this is the page I'm interested in, and then any other event following next. And then you can play with the buckets still, right? So there's still a conversion window. So it's one day I can say, okay, the buckets, I want, I don't know, what I give myself 10 minutes maybe or something. I'm saying this, and then I'll set the buckets to 0 to 10, and it should be minutes as well. And that will distribute that data and indicate the median for people to have a page view on protein, where the page title equals protein is 4.59 minutes here.
Can you repeat it slowly?
So basically what I'm doing here is I'm taking the page view, I'm taking the page title. So I assume that in your case, it will be something similar, right? It has a specific page title. And then I'm saying, okay, this is the next event. And basically what this funnel is calculating, it's looking into people who first have this very specific page view and then do something else. In your case, you could actually, because any event on your page, you might even trigger another event, right? So I would say, what's the next page view? That way we know that people navigated away from it. But imagine that we're only looking at two page views, right? One page view that you're interested in, followed by another page view that you don't care specifically, but it's just the next interaction in the series. What we do next is we say, well, people have a maximum of 10 minutes to complete this because we're still in funnel. So we need to set our conversion window. And then what we do is we say, we're looking at it. And what we're saying is people need to complete this. So they need to first look this page and then move away to any other page. And we're distributing this in buckets of 1 minute. So basically what you're getting is you're getting 11 bars because 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, etc. And so you're getting all of these bars and it will calculate like what's the median time to convert and what does my distribution look like.
Okay, thank you.